Hey everybody, this is Dorian at Byrider Milwaukee. Just want to come and show you a few of our select cars that are really good for somebody who's looking for anything for you and your family. So this right here, we got a Ford Escape. This is a 2013. This is a nice little SUV. You got a decent amount of extra room if you need it for any kids, any family members that you got in here. You got a good amount of storage space as well. You got this big trunk in the back, a lot of extra cargo space. I would also recommend something like this larger Chevy Traverse. This is a 2010 that we have here. So these cars are really good because they have 3-row seating. They also offer, obviously, a little bit more protection for you because it's a larger SUV. These get really good mileage if you're driving them around town, trying to drop them off. If you have any dogs or anything of that nature, then you can put all your animals and everything in this. And if you have an even larger family, or maybe you just like something with even more room, I would really recommend these vans, especially these Dodge Caravans. These are really actually fancy. I've grown to really like these vans since I've been working with them. They're really reliable, get you around. They actually are very nice on the inside. If you're looking for something, then you have all the room you need, more than enough room in there. Plenty of cargo space in here. And I would just really recommend getting something like this, a van or a larger, or maybe if you have a smaller family, a smaller SUV. Any one of these would be great for someone who has a family. All right, thank you. Come and visit us over at Byrider on 27th. Our address is 4810 South 27th Street in Milwaukee. All right, thank you, bye.